Good morning, guys. This is Wolf from Tesla Owners Fairs. It is a very sad event. I'm sitting in my roadster and you probably know why it is. Fire department had something to do last night and very sad. And I was at that location today and it comes after this intro.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
Yeah, I'm here and there's a fire department. I just had a talk with them and they are leaving now. We are searching for the building. It's all locked down. As you can see here, the building, the windows are all broken in. They told me that everything in the building is burned out. So, and the whole roof burned off as well. So they said there's a total loss of this. Yeah. And the total loss is basically caused by the fire.
Fire crews rushed to a fire with hazardous materials at a Tesla repair shop. This happened this morning in North Phoenix near 7th Avenue and Deer Valley Road. The flames had burned through the roof by the time fire crews arrived. They were able to stop it from spreading. And before reaching those hazardous materials inside the building, no one was hurt and there is still no word how it started.
Because everything has been locked off, let's see if we can get any closer here. But let me put that microphone closer. That's the first thing. Yeah, so let's see if we can get any closer here. It may go around the building, but the building is lost. So basically everything burned out. So guys, we are from the back. When you see from the back, all of the Model S's are being still preserved. They're being parking here in the back and there are chargers there in the back as well. So I think the fire department came in through this way, so they didn't lock it down correctly. I'm keeping a good safe distance and here because you never know, it's only a little bit away and they are probably have been busy in the night to check that fire there. The outer walls are in good condition. So the roof is completely burned off, what the fire department told me. And also the inside, it is a completely loss, actually. Here are little pieces of, and probably pieces from the roof, what you can see here in the back. So, yeah. I wanted to bring something else on my channel, but I had to go here and check if how they are doing and if that's good. So that's a start for that is the beginning of a new start again here. And I would like to know how that happened. So here, they have probably closed it this way. I didn't close it correctly here. So yeah, that's what the fire department told me that they had in the previous fire in 2017, and I'm going to show you my article for this one, which here is they had also people working on that fire. There seems to be that they're getting experiences with that now, how to do that with their battery fires. They basically put them in a contain that fire, put it in water, and then leave it there for a while until the energy is being burned off, actually. Yeah. Yeah, this was all from Gruber Motors here. And I keep the fingers crossed that they rebuild it. So currently what they have to do, I have to talk to them. I sent a text out and asked them, hey, what happened? And that is what happened. We hope that it is not any arsenic case there, and we hope that was a regular fire and not any bad intentions. So yeah, that is all. Hey guys, I keep you up to date with this one and what happens out of that and what happened out of the building. Seems to be from the outside okay, but there is a lot to be done from the inside. Hey, that was all from the second Gruber fire. Keep the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye bye.